Hello everyone, continuation with the previous video, we are going to see next 5 MCQ questions. 21. If rank of A equal to rank of AB, then the system AX equal to B of linear equation is. Here they didn't mention anything about the number of unknowns, just they had given rank of A equal to rank of AB. So we can conclude option 2 is correct. Therefore 2 is correct, that is the system is consistent. 22. If 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi and the system of equations x plus sin theta y minus cos theta z equal to 0, cos theta x minus y plus z equal to 0, sin theta x plus y minus z equal to 0 as a non-trivial solution, then theta is. Here they had given that the system of the equations is a non-trivial solution. So non-trivial solution means determinant of A should be equal to 0. So I am going to find determinant of A. So going to find the determinant, that is 1 sin theta minus cos theta minus 1 sin theta 1 minus 1 equal to 0. If I found the determinant, I will get 1 into 1 minus 1 minus sin theta into minus cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0, multiply this minus sin theta inside, so I will get sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta minus cos square theta minus cos theta sin theta equal to 0. Plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. So sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to 0. Now I am going to bring this minus cos square to the right hand side. Sin square theta equal to cos square theta. So sin square theta divided by cos square theta equal to 1. So sin square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan theta equal to plus or minus 1. My tan theta is equal to 1 and tan theta is equal to minus 1. Here theta is equal to pi by 4. Here theta is equal to minus pi by 4. In the question they had mentioned theta lies between 0 to pi. So my theta is not equal to minus pi by 4. So my theta equal to pi by 4. My option 4 is correct. 23. The augmented matrix of a system of linear equation is 1 2 7 3 0 1 4 6 0 0 lambda minus 7 mu plus 5. A system has infinitely many solutions and you want to find the value of lambda and mu. It is given that the system has infinitely many solution. For getting infinitely many solution, my rank of A equal to rank of AB is less than n, that is number of unknowns. Here suppose I am going to substitute the first option, lambda is equal to 7 and mu is not equal to minus 5. I will get rank of A equal to 2, rank of AB equal to 3. So rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. I will not get the infinitely many solution. And second option, lambda is equal to minus 7 and mu is equal to 5. If I substitute, I will get rank of AB equal to 3, rank of A equal to 3 and the number of unknowns equal to 3. I will get unique solution. If lambda is not equal to 7 and mu is not equal to minus 5, again I will get rank of AB equal to rank of A equal to n, I'll get the unique solution. If suppose substitute the fourth option, lambda is equal to 7 and mu is equal to -5, I'll get rank of A equal to 2, rank of AB equal to 2, and n is 3. So rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is less than n. So my fourth option is correct. So lambda is equal to 7 and mu is equal to 5 is correct. So I'll get my infinitely many solution. 24th question. Let A equal to 3 by 3 matrix is given and 4B equal to 3 by 3 matrix is given. If B is the inverse of A, then the value of X. You want to find the value of X. It is given that B is the inverse of A. So the inverse of A equal to B. Instead of B, I am going to replace A inverse. 4 into A inverse equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3x, minus 1, 1, 3. Bring this 4 here. A inverse equal to 1 by 4 into 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3x, minus 1, 1, 3. A inverse is nothing but 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. I need the value of X. X is nothing but the minor of A32 in A. So X is minor matrix in A, that is A32. So X is nothing but, if I find minor of A32, I'll get 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 1. It corresponds to minus. So minus of minus 2 plus 1, that is 1. So my option 4 is correct. Twenty-fifth question. If A equal to 3 by 3 matrix is given, then adjoint of adjoint A is, by the property of adjoint of adjoint A equal to determinant of A power n minus 2 into A. So it is enough to find determinant of A and substitute here. So if I find determinant of A, I will get 1. So 1 power, n is nothing but the order. Here order is 3 by 3. So n is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 into A. So which gives A. A is 3 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 3, 4. 0 minus 1, 1. So my first option is correct.